guys, so today we are back at my dining table, which means we're doing another unboxing. So today I've got my kitchen knife and a parcel. Okay, so I've got my pocket knife. Looks like a sort of lamp. Creative 3D visualization lamp, and inside of it is it's like a box sort of thing. Looks like a little table, and it's a table and a piece of acrylic. It has Eevee on it, the Pokémon. So I'm assuming we peel the back off and then slip it in here. So I'm peeling it off here. The first bit's probably the hardest, but then it starts to get easier. You always want to hold it down by the base, because as if you touch the top, it might mess up the illusion of the 3D effect. So once you have the acrylic off, you slip it in to here. Which can be difficult. But then you get it in. So now all you need to do is plug it in. So we're in my bathroom to test it out. Wow. To make it all go all different colours. Like that one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think this was it's an amazing lamp. This is certainly going on my desk. I really like it. I've just got the Let's Go Eevee game for Nintendo Switch, and I've been playing it non-stop at the moment. So thank you again for watching. Can you please like and subscribe? Please, can we get this video to maybe 2 likes? That'd be great. Thanks, bye.